Ano ba yan? Ginagawang excuse ang paghingi ng tissue. Okay, and here's the reason behind Vice Ganda's sudden career as an interpreter. International YouTube star, Marie Digby! Good morning, mga people!
Yes, I had Vice as a translator. I'm very lucky. As you guys know, I didn't understand everything, but Vice did tell me that the message of your song is for your mothers, right? To respect your mothers.
Mother Nature. Yeah.
Mother Nature.
You're right. It's about mothers.
You know, I was just kidding. Okay.
Okay. I thought it was super galing, and I just want to say that I think there are not enough rappers these days talking about really positive messages like that. So I'm really appreciative, and I'm curious. You over there, ikaw?
Yes.
Yeah, you with that hat like
With
that. Ikaw daw, kuya.
What was the turning point for you to realize that you were not treating your mother the right way, respecting her? What was that turning point that made you love her and
sagutin mo yan.
appreciate
English, ha? English. English, oh. Sagutin mo yan.
Bakit Tagalog? Bakit Tagalog? Vice,
English yan.
Pare, English din. Kaya mo yan.
Translate daw, Vice.
Kaya mo yan.
Ano daw?
Sige.
Sabi ni Mary A, ano daw yung turning point?
Para magmadali lang.
Ano daw yung ano?
Yung...
Naging dahilan kung ba't ka nagbago.
Hindi, English mo din. Kaya mo yan. Aniniwala ko sa'yo.
English, ha? English. Para maintindihan ka ni Mali.
No, Bali.
Because...
Oh.
Yes.
Hindi, Tagalog.
Hindi, bali po nung napagtanto ko po na mali yung ginagawa ko. Kahit matanda na po ako sa high school, bali, tinapos ko pa rin po para at least nakabawi ako kahit papaano.
Okay, he realized...
Translate mo daw kay Marie.
Translate. Anong sinabi niya?
Kuya, translate mo sa Jejemon. Kaya mo. And he said that he realized that he's a Jejemon.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Super maganda.
Hindi. So one sentence at a time. One sentence at a time. Okay, go. Isang pangungusap. Dali, itatranslate ko. Tignan natin. Sentence yung dahil. Because... Hindi ko magsabi ng Tagalog kaya translate ko.
Dahil ano? Bakit nagbago? Kailan ka nagbago? Bakit?
Dahil nalaman ko na mali ako.
Because he realized that he was wrong.
Tapos?
Galing. Galing mo, ha? More.
Kaya para makabawi sa kanila, tinapos ko pa rin yung pag-aaral.
So, in order for him to,
Make up for his
in order for him
mistake.
to make it up to his parents, he finished his studies, he killed the teachers. Kala ko nakulong siya. Hindi ko pa nakulong ko. He finished his studies, he graduated, and he came to the house with diploma, and the mother, father, and the brother, sister cried of happiness.
Pwede na yun.
And then?
Ngayon, pati po itong laban na to para sa kanila sa buong
Pati, the shark.
Pati. Also,
This performance.
laban na to.
And also, this fight against Marquez.
Sa teacher. Laban na to.
Oh, this fight. Okay, just
Should I just get the score?
Just score.
Okay.